In this video, I will show you how to configure Amazon ACS or Amazon Simple Mail Service. After configuring the Amazon ACS account, I will try the SMTP with a WordPress website to send emails. You can use the Amazon ACS configuration with any service with the simple SMTP settings we are going to explore. So here you can see I am logged into my AWS account. Now on my account, I'll search for SES here in the search box. I can see Amazon Simple Email Service. I'll click on that. This is the Amazon ACS dashboard. Here first I need to verify identity to send emails. So at the left side you see verified identities. Here I will create an identity. It has two options, domain and email. If you want to verify a domain, then you can create an email to send the emails from. Also, you can use this email address verification to send the emails directly from the email address. You don't need to verify the domain in that case. So first I will verify the email address. Here I'll select email address and I'll enter the email address. You can enter any email address. I have entered an email address and I'll check this as in a default configuration set. And I'll select the default configuration here. Now I'll click on create identity. So it says verification pending. It will send an email to the inbox to verify the identity. You can see I have received the email from AWS. I'll open the email and I'll click on this link to verify the identity. Now the identity is verified. Now if I refresh this page here, I can see it is verified. So if I go to the account dashboard, I can see my Amazon ACS account is in that sandbox. So I cannot send email to any email addresses that is not verified here. I can send emails to any email addresses when I go to the production server. Currently I am in the sandbox, so I need to verify all the emails where I want to send emails. Here I will verify my Gmail address because I will send email to the Gmail address to verify the SMTP configuration from this email. So I'll create another identity and I'll select email address again. I'll enter my email address. I will just create the identity. I have received the email from AWS. Now I will verify with this link. Now when I go to the verified identities, I can see the Gmail address is also verified. I added this Gmail address because I want to send an email from this preview domain to the Gmail. So I had to verify it. To get the SMTP configuration, you need to go to this SMTP settings. Here I need to create the SMTP credentials. So I'll click on this create SMTP credentials. You can change this username, but this is for your reference only. So I will keep the default username in this box and I'll click on create user. This is my SMTP configuration. This is the SMTP username. This is the SMTP password. I'll click on this download CSV file to download the username and password. Now I'll go back to the ACS console and here I can see the SMTP endpoint. Now let's try this SMTP configuration. I have this WordPress website here where I can try the SMTP. So on this from email, I will enter hello.preview domain and from name I'll just say Amazon ACS test. I'll select other SMTP here and the SMTP host. For the SMTP host, I will copy this SMTP endpoint and paste it here. I'll select the TLS and for TLS I will copy this 587 port. Here I already have 587 and SMTP username. I downloaded the SMTP configuration here from AWS. I'll copy the SMTP username from here and I'll paste it here. Now I'll copy the SMTP password and I'll paste it here. Now save the settings. So the configuration is done. Now I will try to send an email. So I'll go to the tools of this plugin and here I already have the Gmail account. I verified this Gmail account with AWS already. So I'll send an email to this Gmail address. It says the test email might have been sent. Now I'll go to my Gmail account and I can see I have received the email from hello@preview domain. It is via amazonacs.com. You can see here as well. So the SMTP is completely working and I cannot send emails to other email addresses using this ACS account until I verify that identity here because my account is in sandbox. So when I am done with all the testing and everything, then I can go to this view get setup page. And here I can request for production access. Here you see the dedicated IPs. Here you can enable dedicated IPs, but it will cost you extra and you can see the pricings here. Amazon ACS pricing. The cost of sending emails from Amazon ACS account is very low. Like you can send 10,000 emails in $1. You can use this ACS configuration with any of the apps. Not just WordPress, you can use it anywhere where it's supposed custom SMTP configuration. When you need it, just come to this SMTP settings and you can create new credentials and you can manage your existing SMTP. If you want to use this ACS account for transaction emails, then you should verify your domain instead of the email address. When you want to verify the domain, you can put your domain and it will give you some custom DNS configuration. You need to add them to your DNS settings on the domains, then you can verify it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.